And piggybacking on what you just said, I was Valentine just passed, so I was just listening to some news, and they were interviewing this farmer in Latin America, and they were discussing the way they're using the land and stuff. So, but what I got out of that is that flowers are sold across the world in billions of dollars. Billions of flowers. So you have flowers coming from Europe, from Latin America. There's nothing wrong with us selling flowers, because the technology is here to be able to cut it and put it in a refrigerated planes and move it over there.
Actually, we are favored because it's tropical. So
you
don't have to have peronia all year round.
So
flowering
farms. The farming is a really good thing that for us is.
Okay.